quick, but I see what Cat do with their feet. I got a kitty. My kitty cute. And he do some weird shit with his feet. And for y'all to sit there and take off his feet and boil the bitches and then put them on the side and get you some rice and then get you some musubi, that's just, not, and then y'all be sipping, who the fuck? What is this? But wait, when you go to McDonald's and you get you a meal, how big is y'all drink? Well, it's, you know, it's cool. You can suck on that motherfucker for 2 hours and still got some juice and some ice. Y'all got these little ass fucking cups. And y'all, I don't get it. It's so like, and then y'all be acting like y'all really eating shit. I know what I'm I don't eat turkey, bitch. No. It's not Thanksgiving, it's July.
Have you ever seen a fat Asian that wasn't a supermarket?
Seriously.
No.
Exactly.
Cool, but one thing, y'all need to stop eating all this shit that y'all see on the street. I'm not gonna pick up no spider and put his ass on no chopstick and dip him in no soy sauce. That's not gonna. Hi, you looking like Jennifer Lopez? Go ahead. But I'm not gonna yell. But go ahead. What you want to ask about black people? But be careful because my safety is off. So be careful. What you say?
Oh yeah, I said likewise. But anyways.
I forgot we had 2 numbers.
But anyways, all right. What's with the shoe brush thing? Why you guys always got a freaking brush? Man, for like some horse. If I'm out in the barn,
brush what?
If I'm out in the barn and I'm brushing my horse down one day, I'm not gonna suddenly look at the brush and be like, must feel good since the horse likes it.
Only because we don't want to come out of our house looking like we got electrocuted. That's why we brush our hair. And guess what? And y'all be mad because our shit be looking good. That shit be shiny. That shit be shiny. That shit be shiny. I'm with my hair back. That shit be shiny. You mad. But guess what? But real talk, have you ever sat in the back of an Asian, honestly? And don't you see, y'all be looking at it, but you know, back of the motherfucking head interesting when you bored. So you look at that shit, and you start seeing little white shit. And you like, bitch, your hair is black. Why you got white shit in the back of your head? I don't get it. So that's why you brush your hair, because you don't want the white shit.
Really? Did you go see Paranormal Activity with a group of black people? Tell me you'd like to see this. Don't go in that bathroom. You know that deep is in there. That's why you deserve it. And I will be get your ass. Better put your inside voice on before I put your ass outside.
But look, it's always the white people who decide to walk into the most fucking obvious door that he hides. They always do that. They watch the killer walk in that bitch and they gonna walk in behind him.
I'm sorry, the one movie where the black dude hasn't died first is Blade. That's why.
But do you know why the black dude died first?
The 2003 remake
but
of Halloween.
No, shut up. You have freedom. You can't speak. You have what you want. No, but the reason why black people die first is because the killer is smart. He like, this nigga gonna live. I need to get him quick. Because he's white, but this bitch is gonna trip and fall. She's stupid. This nigga gonna jump off the cliff because he's scared. Have you ever seen House of Wax? Wait, did you see House of Wax? You see House of Wax? Who saw House of Wax? Okay, real quick. But do you see the black dude with the white bitch in a tent? Guess what? And guess who died? The black dude first. Guess why? Because he was the white bitch. That's my point. So, had nothing with her, maybe he wouldn't have got killed.
She's a freaking bathtub. They just
She's retarded. She's done. The bitch got in the car and got out the car. What the bitch get in the car? No. The killer thing is she walked into the factory, the emptiest factory, and then the bitch started picking up cell phones that she could see don't work. That's what killed me. Y'all do the dumb shit. I'm telling you, if I was in a horror movie, I'm shooting. Fuck it. As soon as I boom, 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 low, 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 boom, 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 boom.